Katanat election jongkari India ECI katemu ban penmi ya ka ECI NET ka digital platform ka badan tangkawe ke poin ka bapenya lang ya palat sapho teliki apps election ki baladon lupa ringkat bat ka UI ni UX ka bala penbha. Kani ka jing temu ban penbet ya ka jing syakri jong ki nong tap vote bat ka jing penyat ya ka jing tip nak benta ki hek sorkar. Lapun benada Chief Electoral Officer ka Jela Dr. BDR Tiwari ka ECI NET kan ai kelat ka basuk ban pendan kam nak benta ki nong jit ki he officer ki seng sang perthai bat ki seng balang ka ba penduk no ya ka jinon kam ban rung bunsin. Kani ka rensan ka balamat phang da CEC Gyanish Kumar ha ka jingalang jong ki he officer jong ki election ha upnai leber arjar apusan kan penyasok lang ki apps bakongsan kum ka voter helpline ka CVIGIL ka Suvidha 2.0 ka ESMS ka saksham bat ka KYC ka ba ajing mentoy ki nong tap vote bat ki he officer ha keleng kari India. Tang ki he jong ka ECI ki bla ai borokin penrung ya ki jing te bat pentikna ya ka jinglong ka batikna da ka ba pendan kam dagi pom an la da don ki jingale. Ka app kadang don ha ka jing syak tes ka bajur bat la kershan da ki jing amir jingmut ki babnia bat ki jing bishar benia ya ka rukam terekam jong ka election. Ka ECI NET kaya day ba ka jing bataan hapok ka Representation of the People Act 1950-1951, Registration of Electoral Rules 1960 and Conduct of Elections Rules 1961.
Election Commission of India is very soon going to launch a single point app for the stakeholder to subsume over existing 40 IT apps with enhanced UI UX. So new app will be known as the ECI Net to facilitate electoral services for citizens, seamless, convenient data handling for electoral officers. So this act is a very new initiative and it has already reached in the advanced stage of development and rigorous trials are being conducted to ensure smooth functionality, ease of use and robust cyber security measures. It is being developed after an elaborate consultative exercise involving 36 CEOs of all state UTs, 767 district election officers and 4,123 electoral registration officers of their state UTs, and after receiving 76 publications comprising 900 pages of electoral framework, instructions and handbook issued by ECI from time to time. So the data provided through ECI Net will be strictly aligned with the legal framework established by the Representation of the People Act 1950 and 51, registration of the electoral rules 1960 and conduct of election rules 1961 and instruction issued by Election Commission of India time to time. So there is the list of 40 existing ECI applications. So list is already been given here. So it involves the affidavit portal, India a web result website, Election 24 hour का ECI sweep ECI website, Ambosa, Wiresnet, Myth versus Reality, Election Trend, TVC Whistle portal, EMS, Encore, Media Voucher, Suvidha, Observer portal, Election Planning, IEMS, PPR, TMS, ERO-Net 2, Voter Service Portal, Service Voters Portal, ETPBMS, NGSP, Electoral Search, ERO-Net app, BLO app, CVGIL app, Decider app, Encore Nodal app, ESMS app, Investigator app, KYC app, Monitor app, Observer app, Saksham app, Suvidha app, Voter Helpline app, and Voter Turnout app. So this is the list of the different IT tools being in the public domain for the different type of the users. So that will be comprised in one ECI Nets framework.